Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Citizens Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To use Zelle with Citizens Bank, begin by ensuring you have the Citizens Bank mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in using your online banking credentials. Navigate to the Transfers section found at the bottom of the screen. Select the option for Send Money with Zelle or simply Zelle. If this is your first time using Zelle, follow the prompts to accept the terms and conditions. Next, you will be asked to link your Zelle profile to your bank account. You can choose to register using your email address or mobile phone number. Enter the requested information and confirm it. Once your account is linked, choose how you want to fund your payments. Zelle will send a verification code to your mobile number or email. Enter that code to verify your identity and complete the registration process. Now, you can start sending or receiving money. To send money, tap on the Send Money option. Select a recipient from your contacts or manually enter their email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send. You can also add a brief note explaining the transaction. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, tap Send to complete the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation once the payment has been sent. To request money, go back to the Zelle feature in the app. Select Request Money and choose a contact or enter their email or phone number. Input the amount you're requesting. Add a message if desired, and review the request details. Tap Request to send it to the recipient. You will be notified when your request has been accepted and the funds are on their way. Now you're ready to enjoy fast and secure transactions with Zelle through Citizens Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.